What is going on today, guys? We're back with another video. Today is Valentine's Day. Y'all will not see this video for a little bit. It's gonna be far away from Valentine's Day. I probably want to upload it because I already have another video I still have to upload. But I surprised Kenzie this morning. She thought we were working on the house today. Turns out I already had plans. We are not. We are going on a motorcycle ride to this really pretty waterfall. It's like a couple hours away. Alright guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me because this thing's so loud. And I really didn't even check the mic if I'm being honest. But man, this thing feels like a Cadillac coming from the ground. I really hope y'all can hear me. The wind's so loud. I'm wearing a motocross helmet on a Harley, so I look real silly. But that's fine, I don't care. Alright, well guys, we're about to get some Arby's because we got coupons in the mail before we hit this ride. Essential. Alright guys, got our meal out of the way. I adjusted the mic a little bit, so hopefully it sounds better. And we're off. Got the GPS pulled up. Fellow rider here. I reckon everybody actually wave at me now because I'm on a Harley. Didn't even have to put my foot down. This looks a little bit weird up here. It's a one-way. I need to be in the left lane, I think, though. Perfect. Not hit the tar. Do not hit the tar. Okay. I guess it all goes this way, so I'll stay in this lane. Alright. We're cooking. Oh, wow. Son of a third generation farmer. Been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I'm a God-feared, hard-working combine driver. Haul up the road on my flower. Chugga-lugga-lugga 5 miles an hour. On my international harvester. Oh man, well guys, we made it to the first place. I kind of got lost a little bit and I went down a little too far. I went up there because Apple Maps said it was on the left over there, but it's on the right. Well, I am super glad I put on these long johns. I'll tell my parents, no, I don't need them. No, I don't need them. I was freezing with them. My hands are froze. My lips are froze. When we were coming up that mountain, did you get kind of scared?
Did you?
Yeah, I don't know. I was like, I knew gravity works, but like, if you look off the mountain coming up it, feels like the wind's just gonna pick you up and blow you off. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
That's crazy.
It's pretty.
I don't know if the GoPro's gonna pick it up, but there's a bird flying right here. That's it. And I'm pretty sure it's a bald eagle. Alright guys, we are on to the next location. But we're about to stop at Dollar General and get some caffeinated drinks because I am tired. I don't want to lose my soul, chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And oh, lost in the feeling. Yeah, this is the type of kind of riding I like more. This 45, chilling on some back roads. Man, I turned on avoid highways and Siri took me serious. I'm fine with it. Oh, look at that house. Look at them horses. That's gorgeous. And a pond. Man. Alright guys, my hair looks horrible from the helmet. But we're at the next spot. The lady at the desk was super nice. She let us keep our helmets up there. So we're gonna have to turn them down here. But it's a big waterfall and I already hear it rolling. Me and Kenji have jumped off this waterfall. They come to this waterfall like every summer and jump off. People, it's like real deep, people come in and jump off. Something cool like that, you know what I'm saying? Dang, dude. Look how much it's rolling. You see it? Yeah. Okay. I don't even know if you can see it on camera. Whoa. We're usually standing. Oh, man. Yeah, now is not the jumping time. Yeah, this is beautiful. Happy Valentine's Day. Man. If y'all have not got outside today, be sure to go outside. It's over. They got a little bridge here. People swim up in here, and I think if you go back that way, there's a little tire swing. Get a better view of this.
Do a pull-up. Strong boy. What?
Is it far?
Yeah, that's pretty far.
Oh guys, we just hiked all the way up this mountain for what we thought was a cave. It's pretty much a cave, yeah, basically. It's a lot higher up than I thought. Well guys, I guess it's a pretty good place to end the video. If you haven't went outside today, make sure you do. Always makes me feel better. Have a good day, good morning, great night, whatever it is. And we'll see you all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. Helps me out a ton. I love making these videos for y'all. See you on the next one. Love you guys.